I can go
What was
there.
it, Drew?
I don't know if I should go there. Emile?
Yes. I'm so excited.
We're doing a beauty trip together.
I know.
I'm so excited. I'm very happy that you're driving because I hate driving.
You're an awful driver.
Emile, this is your maiden voyage on Beauty Trippin.
Can I get to do it for you?
I know, we get to do it together. You guys, welcome back to Beauty Trippin. Emile and I are best friends in real life and on camera, so this is very exciting for us.
I'm like Kitty right now.
Okay, so our clue is a little boylesque. I mean, that sounds like boylesque might be a play off of burlesque. First of all,
yes.
If it actually is a combination of me getting to film with you and doing burlesque, like, am I getting paid to do this? This is crazy.
This is the best day ever, and you know I'm on the news side mostly, so I actually got to leave the office early to come do this.
Yeah.
Incredible. Oh my gosh, this looks like an actual place. I thought it was gonna be like a studio.
I'm so excited.
Wait a minute,
is this like a... Shut up. Shut up.
There's a stage.
Jake Dupree. Stop.
Oh my God.
This makes me so happy.
We're about to live our best burlesque life.
You're gonna live so many lives right now. I brought you some sexy little outfits.
Okay.
We're gonna get changed. We're gonna dance. I'm gonna teach you how to bump and grind. We're gonna dirty wind. We're gonna take some gloves off. We're gonna take off some clothes. It's gonna be great.
Okay.
You excited for that?
Yes. Always down to take off clothes.
I cannot wait. You two, let's go. Let's get it. We gotta move. All right. So, Burlesque Babe, Showgirl 101. Do you know what a bevel is?
What's a bevel?
No.
It is the most amazing stance. So when you're starting, ooh, bring that foot right to the inside of the arch of the other.
Yes.
Point that foot and lift up tall. Arch your back a little bit so that booty sticks out. Ooh, take it in. I'm here to find my third husband, you know?
Yes, right?
Yes. So we're just gonna move the hips side to side, dragging the foot. So bringing it into that bevel. So let that inner thigh cross and cross, cross and cross. Now we're gonna add the arms up and up, ooh. And with your face, what I like to do is like look like it's a little bit of pain, like, ooh. All right, and so we're gonna step out a little bit, and another one-on-one is a shimmy. Now add those feet and shimmy with it. Yes. Side to side, close those thighs. Ay. All right, here we go. Open the feet up wide. We're gonna go right, left, shake it, shake it, shake it. Left, right, shake it, shake it, shake it. Boom, boom. Gada, ging, 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 ging. Can I see you do it? Right, left, shake, shake, shake. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Left, shimmy, 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 and a left, right, and a shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Now feet go ooh and ooh. And I want to see those arms come up that body. Yes, ooh. Ooh, Drew, she said, this is what I do in my bedroom, honey.
I do.
Emile says, here's how the babies are made, darling. Now, the next little bit is the Showgirl Walk. You're drawing a figure 8 with the hip. So the hip comes forward and forward. Ooh, draw it. And it's like you're churning butter in a really sexual way, you know? With the hip, you're gonna go right, left, right, left, dragging the feet. Ooh, and ooh, okay.
I watched.
Drew,
I didn't hear what you said.
first?
It's hurt your butt.
Come on.
Ready?
So stepping out with the right foot, hip forward, hip forward, hip forward. Boom.
Yes, hips. Yes,
Ooh.
hips.
Hip and ooh.
It's like a sexy jazz
And
walk.
hip. Yes. Yes. And we'll add the arms in a minute. I want to see the two of you.
What was
He's
that?
got those hips, honey.
I'm struggling.
So with those Showgirl walks, you want to add the arms. So right,
Wait, we're adding arms
left,
already?
Yes.
right, come up, and left, right, and left. Hey. Ooh, she's got those hips. I love it. And right,
Yes.
and left,
Gotcha.
and right, and left. Ooh, this is gonna be naughty.
I love naughty
And my
things.
favorite burlesque move is the bump and grind. It's like the most basic thing that's ever happened in burlesque, and it's so great. Left foot forward, you're gonna lean back a little bit, and you're gonna bump with the hips.
Ooh.
So, bop, And it could be anything, it could be back, it could be forward, it could be out. So we're gonna go
Different directions.
up, back, forward, back, up, down, forward, back, ay. That's it. So you hit, and then ooze.
Ooh.
That's the grind. So bop with the bump, and then grind it out.
We making babies.
Hey, and you roll it around. That's the grind.
All the rolling, all
Hey.
the bumping, all the grinding.
That's it. He's feeling it.
Hey.
And then we're gonna add the arms. So come up the body and then come, ga.
Cute.
Yeah, dynamics, that's right.
Did you fall?
Right. Ooh. See, you know what, he knows what he's doing.
Ooh, I feel like you need to add like a.
Mine is a little stiff.
You can make sounds. You can be like,
All the sounds.
ooh. That's when I perform. I usually do, ooh, because it looks like it hurts. You know, it's like you just gave it to me. You know. Now we're gonna work on some hands. I love a reach and a pull. A nice little, oof. And if you want, you can add a hip with it.
I want to do all the sound effects. I just feel like
You do it. Give it to me.
Oh.
What would that sound like?
Ooh. Oh my God, Emile. Are we growling at them?
We're gonna go one arm forward. Give me a little fingers. Go down the right leg and then come slowly up, sticking that booty out. Arch that back, arch that back, arch that back. Hey, okay, now we're gonna come back to this back wall. One of my favorite moves that I do in a lot of my performances, I love some wall play.
Oh my God.
So you can give me like a round.
Yes.
Lift the chest, come up, roll it back. Let me see this.
Just like work your life, you know?
I feel like we're on 2 different pages.
Yeah.
Can we do like a...
Hey, that's where we're coming next. Okay, so let those arms come down a little bit and you're gonna lean the chest forward, bending the elbows, and let that booty shake, like let it go.
Shake,
yes.
shake, shake.
And I wanna see those booties shake. I know.
Shake, shake, shake.
See.
Shake your booty.
This.
Is it shaking?
Yes!
Yes!
Make it clap.
Yes.
Okay, so my next favorite little part is a nice little booty shake with the football feet. So get those heels lifted and let that booty shake.
Oh my God, it feels good.
Ooh.
Hey,
Yeah.
let it shake. And you can do the arms, like you can bring them forward and back.
I feel like
forward,
Tina Turner.
And back. So my other favorite move that I love to do is a booty isolation.
Okay.
Oh my God, please teach me how to do
Okay,
that.
with the right.
Oh
with that.
God.
What?
It's moving.
Do you see this? His cheek is dancing.
Is it moving?
Is it
Yes.
doing it?
Yes.
Is mine moving?
Hey,
It is?
that's
It
it.
feels like it's not.
I don't think anything's happening. Oh, left side's moving. Hey, wait.
Yes, it's getting there. Look at it.
Is it doing it?
Yours are both doing
Wait,
it.
you're both, wait, Drew, you have some direction
Oh my-
going on.
it's moving?
Drew, that's a talent.
It's moving?
Oh my God.
Okay, Jake, you're so good at this.
So
Thank
good.
you.
Like, how long have you been doing it? When did you start?
What's so crazy, I've only been doing it since last September, so not even a full year.
That's so
I'm
wild.
sorry.
I've been a professional dancer for like 15 years, so
Okay.
it's like, you know, it's fine.
Because I'm like, you're too
was like, wait a
good.
minute.
There's
The thing
no
is,
way.
I've been a fan of burlesque since, I mean, it's been a long, long time since, but I never thought that I never saw a boy do it the way that I want to do it, so I was like, I just didn't think it was possible for me to do it.
You're the trailblazer.
What is like the feedback from people when they see you for the first time?
Very confused, because it's like,
Really?
I love it because it's like my body looks masculine, but then I have like, I move like in a more feminine
feminine,
way,
yeah.
and then like in lingerie, and straight men, it's crazy. They're like, I'm straight, but you're, I'm like,
They're very
give
turned
me,
on.
I'm like,
They're
just
like,
give
I'm
me the
confused.
compliment. It's
Don't
like,
have
just,
to explain.
you don't have to
Right.
qualify
Yeah.
it. I'm like, just
Explain.
give me the compliment. That's great.
If you guys have not seen Jake Dupree,
It is
I hope
insane.
it is insane.
Follow him on Instagram, please.
Go to his
Oh
Instagram.
my
It's
God.
so much life.
Well, and then you add heels to it.
I forgot about the heels. Wait, Drew.
Yeah, you about
Wait,
to
I probably
be.
have to put heels on too.
It's
I'm struggling
time.
in my
Get
workout
ready.
shoes.
Speaking of that, let's put on some heels.
Oh, no.
Let's put on some heels.
It'll make you feel even sexier.
Yes.
Okay, you're right. You're right. Heels make me feel
Trust
sexy.
me, it's like putting on your super suit. You're like, ooh, I just feel yes.
That's why it's not working right now. Oh my God, I forgot. These make me come alive.
Yes.
See? About to have a whole...
A whole moment.
Oh yeah.
See? You put them on,
You
it
know?
changes everything. You're gonna step out with the right, and the right arm will come out, and then come up, and you're gonna take it around your head, down the body. Now this lovely side lunge will kill you, but it's gonna be great. So you're gonna drop it low.
Oh
Jake.
hell no.
You can do it. You can
Jake,
do it.
Cancel.
You can do it.
Shoot canceled. I am
I'd
done.
like to point out that
That
Jake
is
is
a
a
no.
bionic
Sure.
human.
That is a no.
He has superpowers that normal humans cannot do.
Right leg out, come up, around the head, and then you'll drop it low. See?
He just takes a lot of control.
Yeah, and then you're gonna pull up. Whoop. See, yes, okay.
Just concentrate.
Right leg out, boom. Come up, down the head, drop it, low.
Yep, he's got to go
Yep,
slow.
Yep, got it. And then you're gonna pull up. Yes.
You definitely
Inner
have the muscles
thighs.
for it.
Right leg goes out, around the head, down,
Woo.
and up, and then pop, left, and a right.
Cute.
Step with the right foot, and you flip it around.
Ooh.
So how are we feeling about that lunge?
Really hard.
Okay, we're gonna change it then. Both hands plant, and then arch the back, push the booty back, and then you're gonna hit the hips. Bah! And then back again.
Oh God.
Yes. Oh, watch out down there. This is a little bit more advanced. You're gonna lift the booty up and then hit it into a split.
Yes!
Wait, we tried to do this. We tried
to do this
We tried this. Okay.
Lift the booty.
Wait, lift. Okay, wait.
In a little bit. There you go.
Ooh.
Coming back up.
Different ways.
Switch the legs.
Oh God.
Emile, don't make me laugh.
God, we shaking.
You got this.
Get up there. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna get up off the ground gracefully. You're gonna plant the feet open. Uh-huh. Open, and then hands on your ankles, and then slowly roll up. Forward. Oof. Drag it up.
Yes.
Yes. That's not the T, hunty.
Cute.
Yes.
Cute.
Okay. We're gonna take it down the body, hello obliques, and come up the body. And then you're gonna go right,
Ooh.
boom,
Ooh.
and then around.
Ooh.
Yes.
Wait, one more time.
So, boom, ka, and then a ba around. And it's gonna be like hard. So like,
Okay.
ba, boof, boom.
Yes.
You got it. So you can go into the wall. You can do a crawl down to the floor.
Ooh, the crawls. Forgot about the crawls.
You can do like split, you know, like
God.
anything.
Please
anything
tell me
you
you
want.
got that. Y'all.
So the stance is finished,
Okay.
and you put on the heels, but I have full outfits for you.
Stop. Stop.
Do I have nipple tassels?
Yes, you do, honey.
This is our
Really?
Oh my God.
So cute. Oh my God, the red.
I just really hope it fits my boobs.
He gave me like pasties.
Oh my God.
It's gonna be incredible.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's put it on. Oh my God.
Amazing.
You're the fairy godfather I always
Yes, my
wanted.
babies, my little burlesque babies. You guys look so good. I like that you're matching too. It's
Yes.
kinda cute.
This is everything.
Oh my God.
You're so sparkly.
So you guys ready to perform?
I feel good.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
It's
The thing
gonna
is,
happen.
just feel sexy, feel confident, feel empowered. If you mess up, who cares?
Just
They don't know.
Improv.
Now let's dance.
That was so much fun.
I just lived my best life. Got to do it with my best friend.
Emile.
That was incredible.
Emile, first of all, we got to do burlesque.
Yes.
Then we got to do burlesque together.
Yes.
And then Jake Dupree, who is like the grand dame of burlesque, taught it to us.
That was the best. It was honestly the best.
My
I got
God.
a little sweaty at one point.
Emile's armpits are rank right now. It's so empowering and liberating, and you just feel so sexy and
Yes.
cool. And
Yes.
as you can see, gender neutral. You can be whatever and do whatever.
Actually, it just feels sexy.
So good. You guys, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell so you never miss a notification when we post. And come back.
Our first beauty trip.
Beauty trip, you did so well, Emile. Bye, guys. Well, that video was fun, but you guys, there's even more where that came from if you just click right on over here. Also, if you click right over there at the subscribe button, you can get more videos like this all the time. So you should do it.